Coastal erosion. Just north of the tower breakwater stands the Naze Tower, situated on the cliff top shown metres from the cliff's edge. Coastal erosion. What is coastal erosion? Coastal erosion is the wearing away of land at the coastline, the beach, sediment built-up areas and the cliffs. Erosion occurs by water, wind and ice. Wind erosion is the movement of fine particles of sand and gravel that are carried by the wind when vegetation is sparse. Vegetation is needed to bind the soil. The beach is therefore most prone to erosion by wind. Water and ice are the main contributing factors of erosion. Take a look at the cliffs north of the tower breakwater. There is definitely evidence of erosion by the four main processes: hydraulic action, corrosion and abrasion, attrition and corrosion. These four processes result in mudflows, rockfalls and rotational slumping. Slumping. Slumping is occasional but a quick rapid movement of rock and vegetation sliding along a concave plane. It is common in the cliffs on the east coast such as Walton due to the balance of soft impermeable boulder clay and porous soft sand and gravel such as red crack. After periods of heavy rainfall, the layer of porous rock becomes saturated and top heavy above the clay, causing loosening of bedding planes and weakness until it eventually slides off this layer beneath. This is rotational slumping. Mudflows. Mudflows occur after long periods of heavy rainfall causing saturation. It occurs when the cliff is lacking vegetation to hold the soil in place. The weight of the saturated material eventually causes sediment to flow down the cliff face. Rockfall. This is a rapid fall of rock falling down the cliff's surface under the influence of gravity. The wetting and drying processes through waves and weathering, as well as the compression of air through hydraulic action by destructive waves and freeze-fall processes, cause joints and faults in the bedding planes, causing sudden rockfalls. Rock is often found at the bottom of a scree slope of the cliff. On this unprotected beach, erosion has resulted in an unattractive beach for tourists, but has great historical and scientific interest. London clay is 54 million years old, and many fossils can be found as a result of erosion.